Hey everyone, I'm excited to announce to you our new VIP program, which is in addition to our Treasure Points normal rewards program. So you may be aware already that for every amount you spend with us, you get points, and those points accumulate, they don't expire, and over time you can redeem those for coupons for say $5, $10 off, free shipping, etc. as part of our rewards program. In addition to that, we're announcing a program we're calling the VIP program. And the way that works, it's the amount that you spend within a year. So I do want to make it clear that this is an addition to the normal program. So you'll get this over and above that. So there are different levels for the program. If you just join the program or you're just starting off, spend $0, you'll be called what's called an understudy. And of course, there's no reward for that. So that's you. And when you log into your rewards program, you'll see these different levels. The Rising Star level, once you spent $200, you will automatically get a $5 credit. So this will automatically go into your account. There's nothing you have to do, and you can spend that on your next purchase. So that's once you spent $200 within a year. Once you spent $300 within a year, the next level is we're calling it Leading Lady. You get a $10 store credit. So that's in addition to the $5 store credit that you got at the $200 level. And again, that'll automatically go into your account. And then the last level is what we call the A-lister. If you spend $500 within a 1 year period, within 365 days, you get a $25 credit. So again, this is on top of our other program. These points do obviously expire. They're what you expend within a year, but they're automatic. There's nothing you have to do, and they are accumulative. So as you pass each level, you get another reward. So we hope you like that. And if you have any questions, just let me know. You can reach out to me at brian@treasurelocks.com. And we'll talk to you later.